Hi, this is Lodestone 1968, and we're going to be reviewing the Nebo Blueline flashlight model 5597. I picked this up as a replacement for my Streamlight Pro, which I lost doing some work. I attributed that to the length. It was in my right front hip pocket, probably bending over. It worked itself out. So I picked this model up. It's a little bit shorter at 4¼ inches or 10.8 centimeters. The diameter is 1 inch or 2.54 centimeters, and the weight is 4½ ounces or 129 grams, which is got a little bit of heft to it, but not too bad. It came with a Duracell AA battery, which was a nice surprise. Did not come with instructions, so kind of disappointing. If you like to know specifications, facts, modes of operation, you're going to have to figure that out on your own, or go on the internet, watch a couple of reviews, or go to their Nebo website. This is an LED flashlight with a lens in the front. The LED is reported to be 110,000 hours. It does have two settings, so here we're in the on mode. You can see why it's called the Nebo Blueline, because of the blue line that's adjustable up here. Twist it, you can narrow your focus or widen the focus of the beam. It also has another mode of operation for strobe, so we can turn that on. Now we're in a strobe. I can use that to disorient someone, or I could use it to signal. You can use that. We also have a momentary position on the switch. So if I briefly touch the glow-in-the-dark push button, I can go back and forth between continuous or strobe. Speaking of disorienting someone, it also is a tactical flashlight, so these are very popular these days. Pressure points, not so much for cutting or stabbing anyone, but if you were to put it in your hand, it would be pretty sizable, and say put it right below the nose on the upper lip and put some pressure on somebody, you can get them to move all over the place. Not really my thing. I use flashlights for tools, but hey, it's an option, so it is there. The clip is steel. It seems to be fairly robust. It's not going to come loose. Would go on your belt or on a pocket. I would prefer a pocket carry on this for everyday carry. Like I said, there is a momentary switch on the back here. This is a magnetized switch. Not the greatest magnet. You're probably going to want to use it by setting it as on a base. If you try to put it on the hood of a car while you're working, you may drop it. But hey, it's not the most expensive flashlight, so it wouldn't be too bad. I'm going to demonstrate the strength of the flashlight here. I have a Benchmade Griptilian model 551, so I can pick it up, move it around, give it a little tap, and you're going to drop it. So not the strongest. That's a little disappointing, but really not too bad. One other thing on here that I found unusual, there's a designator called AT11 Charlie. I thought that was going to be a designator for an aircraft aluminum or something like that for the type of metal used. I could not find it on an internet search, so if anybody knows what that stands for, please give me a shout out. It is not the model number, because I had the label plate model 5597. Comes on it. I pulled it off of there. It's got UPC code. That is most of the items I think we should talk about. If you guys have any comments, this is my first review on any tactical or gear reviews. It's not as easy as you would think, so I give a big credit to a lot of the reviewers that are out there. Thank you very much, and remember, you get what you inspect, not what you expect. Thanks.